So will a cheap $15 chip windshield repair kit actually save you money? Let's find out. So with any of these kits, they're very easy to use. Everything comes right inside. All you really need is a towel to clean up the windshield. But of course, I've done a whole long video, I want to say too long, about windshield chip repair kits. It's going to be right up here. I'm not going to be talking about that today. Of course, I'm going to be doing it, but I'm going to be talking about why. And that is because you can take these steps into your own hands and keep a good, well-maintained vehicle. You can pay somebody else to do it. You can wait 4 hours and days for them to come, or you can just go out, do it yourself, and be self-reliant. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna clean up this windshield just on where the chip is. That way, I'm gonna get a good seal. And it is easy, and I can see it right here of what I need to replace. And it was just a rock that got kicked up and landed on the windshield. So instead of waiting for it to splinter and crack out, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it right up right now. And 20 minutes later, as easy as that, this is done. And you fix your car. All you have to do now is peel it off. And I'm gonna clean up that resin, and there we go. So let's go get a towel. Let's clean this up before it drips off and finish this up. And as easy as that, we're able to fix the windshield. I've already done one before. Of course, links up at the description and up top of how the step-by-steps of fixing your windshield to crack. But that wasn't about today. But today was about grabbing the bull by the horns and doing it yourself, not waiting on another person, being self-reliant pretty much. And that's the point of this channel. I went out there, did it myself, and keep doing it right now. So as always, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate everything you guys do, and I mean it straight from the heart. Ride safe, drive safe, and please keep at least 2 wheels on the road.